Hello and welcome to the 5th episode of the Corny universe. In the last episode, we talked about the relationship between your inner experience in your mother's womb and your outer experience on the surface of this planet. Now, your scientists are all worried sick about climate change. In essence, their diagnostic is quite accurate. And individual cells of a baby would make the exact same diagnostic from inside the womb in the last few days of pregnancy. The baby consumes too much resources. The baby puts his mother in danger. The baby pees too much in the womb, and on and on. But being right about the diagnostic doesn't mean you're necessarily right on the treatment or solution to the problem. What your scientists recommend is nothing short of abortion. They basically advise cutting the umbilical cord while still inside the womb, put the baby in a sort of stasis, and control its consumption of resources of the amniotic fluid in only the proportions that the placenta manages to recycle and regenerate. Stasis does not exist in this universe. Everything evolves, everything changes, everything grows. Now, with respect to climate change, all planets are basically passive, unconscious balls of chemistry, which are subject to the fluctuations of the sun's activity, cosmic radiations, and all kinds of other parameters. What you have the opportunity to achieve by behaving like one giant collective global organism is to become a planet which has acquired the ability to consciously adjust its own climate and temperature. Think about it. When you are in the desert, your body can sweat to keep your bodily temperature constant. When you are on a snowy mountain, your body can burn more calories and energy to keep your bodily temperature constant. But if you transform all the cells in your body into a big pile of unicellular organisms and dump them in the middle of the desert or on top of a snowy mountain, they would be incapable of regulating their collective temperature. That is the kind of magical powers that come with forming a global collective organism. With regards to the human activity, you have unconsciously followed a plan to heat this planet artificially, to prevent another ice age from arriving too soon, which would have prevented you to be able to reach the necessary conditions to form a global collective organism. You bought yourself some time through all your pollution to put the finishing touches on creating harmony amongst yourselves. And once that happens, then the problem of climate change will simply disappear, since this planet will have become a conscious ball of chemistry equipped with all the necessary mechanisms and systems for regulating its bodily temperature, in the same way as your bodies do. As within, so without. In the next episode, we'll talk about how outside events may be more complex than what they seem. Don't forget to like this video, to share, and subscribe. Bye now.